that good? Oh shit. So we're unboxing all of that.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check, give it a microphone, I make it a microphone.
What's good, everybody? So today we're gonna do as you can see from all the boxes that I put out, a massive unboxing. So I think the lighting's kind of off here. Maybe I should. You know, the thing is, I forgot my tripod in my girlfriend's car, so we're gonna do this all ghetto style without just putting it on top of boxes. Is good? We're gonna start with the cap. So this just came in today. This is the this is the New Era Essentials 5950 dark green fitted cap. Jeez, this is nice. This is the New Era exclusive one, so you can only get this at a New Era store or their website. How does it look, guys? I also had the Kelly green right here that I got from Lids. Which one was better, guys? Let me know. This is 2 of the 4 new colorways that Fear of God came out. They have green one, the dark green one, the orange, and the green one with the orange brim. So yeah, which ones are you guys fucking with? As you can see over here, I'm already in the process of curving the royal blues. So this one's for me. The new royal blues got this patch on the side. So this is a West Coast exclusive. So if you live in the West Coast, that's the only way you can get these. Or if you logged into PacSun or something, like those stores are in the West Coast. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Which colorway is better? Do you like a Kelly green, dark green, or the royal blue? Now that we're done with the caps, let's get on with the shoes. Start with something light. This is just a GR pair. Got it for quite a steal. I think it's only cost like what, 50 bucks. I bought it as a beater, but I never ended up wearing it. It's the Oswego. It's the first colorway of the Oswegos, the new version of the Oswego, because you know we got the Oswego Raf Simmons. I believe this came out in 2018 or something. I'm not really sure, but yeah, it's a clean shoe. I bet it's comfortable, but then again, I have no use for this. I'm not really gonna wear it or whatever. I might wear it as a beater, I don't know. So yeah, for the first shoe we got the Oswegos. We got more shoes to unbox. Next up we got a Nike box, a black Nike pull-out box. You got the Undefeated branding over there. This is a fairly old release. This shoe is a re-release of an old shoe, so like a wider general release version of it. Because this was, I remember before, way back when I was just getting into sneakers, these went for like through the roof, man. Like, you can only get this, I think, at like Complex Con or something. These are the Nike Air Max 97s in the Undefeated colorway. We got that Undefeated olive green. We got orange hits. And we got Undefeated everywhere. Printed all over the shoe. These are fire, in my opinion. These are very cool. Like, I don't know if I'll keep them, because resale value is not really up there. Maybe I'll just keep them where I'm around as a Nike beater, or I don't know. I haven't had like a pair of 97s before, so I don't know how they are comfort wise, but let me know what you guys think of the Nike Air Max 97s Undefeated. For a massive unboxing, this video is like just going fast. Maybe because I don't really care about going into details about some of these shoes. Next up, let's go with a slight heater. You guys already seen me wear this. I made a dedicated video for this. It's the foam runners. So yeah, my girlfriend got these for me. These are the Yeezy foam runner sands. I've been wearing these a lot. This has replaced all of my shoes. This will replace your daily rotation. These are super motherfucking comfortable. These are all like old releases. I don't even think I should go too much details into it. I'm just showing them off, because you can always find like in-depth reviews of these shoes everywhere else on YouTube. So let me know if you guys want an in-depth review of any of these shoes. I'll make it. Sound off in the comments below what shoe you would like an in-depth review of. I know I already made an in-depth review of the foam runners somewhere here. I'll put it somewhere here. Let's get on with the next shoe. Let's do a Yeezy. I'm just grabbing any box I can. This is size 8. This is my girlfriend's size. It's a 700 V3. Take it out of the box. Oh, I know what these are. These are super fire. These are the Yeezy 700 V3 in the safflower colorway. These are super nice. Comes with the extra laces. So yeah, I actually like these, and my girlfriend actually really likes these. We got this for retail. I think Yeezy supply. Yeah, these are actually super fire, very reminiscent of the first colorway, the Yeezy 700 Azales. Yeah, the Azales. Let me know what you guys think about the Yeezy 700 V3 Safflower. Yellow's been like really in like nowadays, like the color yellow. I know it's like color of the year or something. Dr. 4s, off-white Air Forces, like a bunch of yellow shoes this year. I haven't got a personal pair of 700 V3s, but I heard it's pretty comfortable. Not as comfortable as the Boost Yeezys, but it's still pretty nice. Overall clean shoe. Let me know what you guys think. 700 V3 Safflower. Let's go with one of my pairs. You guys already seen this. I've worn it a bunch of times, but it's the first time I'm like properly unboxing it in this channel. I don't need to go in depth on these shoes. These are my 380 Aliens, the OG 380 colorway, the cleanest 380 colorway in my opinion, the best. Like, OGs are always the best. I've worn them a bunch of times already. I think this one I got it off StockX. Yeah, came with a StockX like card. StockX receipt. I'm trying to cover up the address. So like a tag. I think the StockX tag is here too. Verified. Easy box for it. Just to keep it rolling, we'll go with another 3. These are actually a dead stock pair. These are a Yeezy Boost 380 size 11, so it's my size. I'm still thinking if I should like just wear it, because resale value is not really there, so I might as well. Yeah, these are the second colorway of the 380s. These are the Yeezy 380 Mist colorway, so it's a lot more toned down than the Aliens, but still you got that crazy pattern, pop of like what is like golden brown on the side. So yeah, and it's gray, and you know, like gray shoes don't really get that dirty much, so I'm thinking if I should keep this as a beater, like a beater Yeezy that you can just like wear around, go hiking in and some shit. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the Yeezy 380 Mist. I don't care what anybody says, 380s are fire. Up next we got this one. You guys already know, Air Jordan 1 box. I'm just here to unbox it officially in my channel. This one I got for retail. It's the Air Jordan 1 Dark Mochas. Got these off, I think, Foot Locker. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Foot Locker. For retail too. Hello. I already switched out the laces. I just bought the laces off like Amazon. Just got like regular cream. Not really, it doesn't really like, does it show? It's not like that cream, it's like kind of like an ivory type color. So let me know guys if I should like get a more creamier, like beiger, like yeah, like a creamier tint laces, or are these good? So yeah, these are the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. I've been wearing this a lot, as you can see in my IG, my Instagram. Yeah, these are just like a clean pair of shoes that you can like wear everywhere, every day. Just goes with anything. Like there's 3 more shoes, but like 2 of them is the same, so we'll do that last. Let's get another size 8 up in here. So these are surprisingly limited I mean, it's a US exclusive colorway of the 350 V2s. I don't know if you guys remember this release because most of these 350 V2s look the same. So these are the Sofers. In pictures, this didn't really like gravitate to me. If that makes any sense. I didn't really like. Oh wow, it's a nice colorway. I didn't really like the color in pictures, but on hand, like in person, I kid you not, this is one of the most fire colorways I've seen in person. I don't know, it's like diarrhea green, like billis green, doo-doo color, and I'm here for it. Such a nice colorway, and it's a US exclusive, so you got like that sense of exclusivity. These are the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Sofers in size 8, my girlfriend's size. I don't know if she wants to keep these, but these definitely she won't keep because these are too tight on her. For some reason, like 700 V3s like fit way tighter than any other Yeezy model. Let me know what you guys think about the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Sofers. Pretty fire, pretty fire. We almost done in this video. So a little bit backstory on this pair. See this hole? I sold this on StockX, and as it got to the verification on their warehouse, they sent me a picture of this big ass hole on the side of the box. Come on, dude, how do you get a hole that big on the side of a box? Like, I don't. And it smells like it's been burnt or something. Is that burn marks on there? I don't know, man. Like, StockX been doing something, like, I don't know. Fortunately, the shoe didn't like get damaged or anything. Yeah, these are the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Desert Sage colorway. Now this is a really fire colorway. It really reminds me of the Platinum Air Yeezy, like the Air Yeezy 2s and like the Air Yeezy 1s. Got like that color combination with the orange lining inside. So yeah, very reminiscent of those types of colorways. And if you guys didn't know, the side stripe, this is reflective. So yeah, these are fire. Like, not gonna lie, these are super nice. So I got 2 pairs of this. I forgot how I got 2 pairs of this. Yeah, these are 2 pairs, size 11 Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Desert Sages. Pretty clean colorway. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe. I think it's pretty nice, especially like the orange right here. I've been really into like orange too this past couple of months. I don't know why. My girlfriend got me this Yeti bottle and I put like stickers on it. See that? Cause stickers. And oh shit. And only OGs know who this guy is. So if you guys know, you know. With a little lightning bolt on him. If you guys know, you know. Kind of looks like me. So yeah, if you guys know who this is, sound off in the comments below. That's pretty much it, right? I'm gonna show you guys. So these are all the things we unbox. We got Yeezys here, Yeezys there, Yeezys everywhere, and got a couple of Nikes and hats too. So this coming Friday, the Fear of God Essentials Fall 2021 capsule is gonna drop in store in Nordstrom, Pakistan, everywhere, globally, and hopefully I can vlog and show you guys what I get. So actually dropped today, September. I'm filming it September 1, September 1st, Wednesday. It dropped today. I overslept and I didn't get anything off the Fear of God website, which is a total bummer. But then again, we have another chance on Friday for an in-store drop. Hopefully I can vlog my experience. Hopefully we cop a lot of things from that capsule, because I actually like the pistachio colorway and I think it's called Harvest, like the brown one. The mustard I can do without. And I'd like the unions too, like the union Fear of God Essentials collaboration. I'm also going for a piece from that, like the hoodies or the shirt. So yeah, hopefully, I keep saying hopefully, I get to vlog that whole experience. If I do get something from the Fear of God drop this Friday, I'm gonna do like a whole collection video with everything, even the hats too. Like if you guys want an in-depth review of the new era collaboration caps with Fear of God. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Peace. Follow me on Instagram at Noah has a big arc. And drink water.